Hi Christian, Hariharan here from Geckoboard. I hope you're having a good day. So I just wanted to quickly show you how you can use Supermetrics and Geckoboard together and track your top page views and so on using the tool. Okay, so and that would also solve your issue of having the top pages list widget or the top location widget scroll between multiple pages. So firstly, Supermetrics is a Google Sheet add-on that kind of lets you pull in your data from Google Analytics and actually from a range of other sources onto a spreadsheet, onto a Google Sheet. And then you can use our spreadsheet integration to display that data on your dashboard. So how you would add Supermetrics to a Google Sheet would be to go to the add-ons menu, get add-ons, search for Supermetrics, and then you can add it to your Google Drive. I've already done that, so let me go ahead and launch the sidebar. Right. So the first time that you use Supermetrics, you can see that these are the services they connect with. So we're going to be using Google Analytics. The first time you do that, you'll be asked to create and connect your account with Google Analytics. It's pretty similar to something like what Geckoboard does. You can connect it by just logging into your Google Analytics account. So I'm using the one that we use for Geckoboard. Let's select the profile. So the Geckoboard combined profile is something that we use. You can select yours. The date will be, the time period will be last X days, and I'm going to set it to 30, including today. Not interested in comparing with anything at the moment. So the metrics, we're going to select page view, and we're going to split it by the page title. So this will give you something similar to our top pages list for 30 days. Okay, I'm not looking to split it by columns, so the rest of the details I'll let it be, but if you want, you can segment and add filters and so on. Okay, let's get the data to our table, or to our sheet rather. All right, so that gives us the top page views listed. Let's do something similar for, let's create another similar query. This time, instead of splitting by page views, let's, instead of splitting by page title, let's split it by the location or the country. So let's search for country. Yeah, and the rest of the details would remain the same. All right, so that fetches the page views by country. I Let me just have a look as to what is being used in your widget under our Google Analytics. Just give me a second there. So I see for the page views by country, you're actually using sessions and not page views. So I'll go ahead and modify this query. And in the metrics, instead of page views, I'll just select sessions and apply the changes. Right. And similarly, we want to do one last thing for our sources. So once again, that's sessions, and we're going to split it instead of country. Let's split it by source. And did I modify the query? Yeah, I don't want to modify the query. So instead, I want to get a new query. Yeah, so now I'll get data to table. Right, now that's gotten the data onto our Google Sheet. Let's go ahead and get it onto our dashboard. So this is my Geckoboard dashboard. I'll click on Add Widget. Search for our spreadsheets integration. Select the new one. I've already connected my Google Drive. If you haven't done so, you can do it using an ad account here. I'll select the sheet that I was just modifying, and let's use, you could use something like a bar chart, but I think the leaderboard uh, would be better here. And let's select firstly the top 10 page views. So it's as simple as just dragging and dropping and selecting the particular details that you want. Let's say set this to top, the title to top pages list 30 days. Right, I can make, I'll let the size be 1 by 2 for now, and add to dashboard. Just waiting for it to load up. Oh, for some reason that got added twice, so let me just remove that. Yeah, so now you have your top list displaying. So this shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but this widget can actually display 10 items. So I'm gonna edit the widget and select from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or actually, I'll go ahead and select even more. So from A3 to A15, yeah, from here as well, A3 to A15. And I'll save the widget. Yeah, so you can see it shows you 10 items. This is a 1 by 2 widget. I'll go ahead and show you what's possible with the different sizes. You notice that it isn't scrolling through multiple pages. Right, so this is how it'll look in a 2 by 2 widget. Yeah, it's not scrolling through those multiple pages, even though I've selected more than 10 values. It's just showing me the top 10. If you want, you can also have a longer widget, longer sized widget. So let's select 3 by 3 for demo purposes and see how that'll look. Right, so you can similarly use this for the other metrics, for the top location lists or top sources lists and so on, and displayed on your dashboard. So coming back to Supermetrics, they do have a free version that you can simply add. I'm not sure. I think they allow you to refresh automatically every hour, and our Google or our spreadsheets widget refreshes every 10 minutes. So any changes that are made to the sheet will automatically be picked up by Geckoboard as well. I'm not sure about Supermetrics refresh rates, so I'll just check that up and let you know on email. But I hope this is an option. Maybe it'll work for you, but I just wanted to suggest it. Let me know how it goes. And as I mentioned, Supermetrics would automatically refresh the data every day. Sorry, every hour or so. So you don't have to manually edit the sheet. It'll constantly show the date range for the last 30 days. And you won't have to, this details will automatically be updated, so you don't have to edit the sheet or edit the widget in Geckoboard. Once you set it up, it'll constantly display the top pages for the last 30 days or the top countries for the last 30 days and so on. Okay, so do let me know if this works for you, and if you have any questions about it, I'll be happy to help you further. Cheers.